Hello, everybody. Welcome to the character analysis essay prompt. I'm going to share my screen. It almost sounded like the opening to every YouTube video I've ever heard. Welcome to Foundflix, blah, blah, blah. Hey, whatever. You don't need to hear any of that. So anyway, this is a character analysis essay. You're going to be examining the critical thinking or the lack of critical thinking of no less than two of the characters in Octavia Butler's Parable of the Sower. And even though these are fictional characters, they are fictional characters written by an actual human, and therefore their thinking and behavior will be very similar to actual humans. Um, and also please understand that because I've read this book several times and that your classmates have read this book at least the one time, we don't need, in your essay, we don't need any summary. You do not need to give us any background information on what's happening in the novel. We already know that. The task for this essay is to focus on whatever situation the characters are in, and then examine their use or failure to use critical thinking in whatever situation they're in. And I'll give you an example just off the top of my head. In the start of the novel, Lauren knows that this little situation they've got going on in their cul-de-sac can't possibly last. She knows that the outside world is encroaching, that everything is getting increasingly chaotic, and that at some point survival is going to have to be something she needs to take seriously. That, what I just said to you, is as much background information or context as you need to give in any given body paragraph. One or two sentences explaining the situation that the character is in, and that's it. In any case, moving on. While you're writing this, please look for motivations or reasons for the decisions the characters make, and also while you're talking about their critical thinking or lack thereof, please use terminology found in our class textbook, which would be the whole mine is better, egocentrism, ethnocentrism, and of course logical fallacies thing. Also, student essay template right here for anyone who struggles with MLA formatting. Here it is. It's already formatted. You just gotta like plug your own information in here and obviously change like student last name to whatever your last name is. In any case, let's look at the requirements. 1,000 words minimum plus a works cited page. Also, if you click on this link, the works cited page link, here's a little video of me talking about how to make a flawless works cited page so that you don't lose points for that. You're welcome. You must use Parable of the Sower. I'm clearly going to have to edit this, and I'll do that as soon as I finish editing this video. You must use Parable of the Sower and Beyond Feelings as your sources. You may also use the logical fallacy DLAs as additional sources if you want, but the two books are mandatory. No other sources are allowed. Your thesis statement must identify the names of the two characters you're going to be looking at. You can, I suppose, you can look at three characters. I don't think you need to do that though. But anyway, whatever. No story summary, please. No block quotes. All the rest of this is standard MLA format, blah, 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 formal academic tone. Yeah, that's everything. It's pretty self-explanatory, but for any details in regard to organization, then please see the video I make for the outline, which is what I'm recording in about 3 minutes. Anything else to say? Probably not. If you have questions, text me on Remind as always. All right, bye.